Alright guys, so we're here on Zordoom Prison. I know I haven't made a video in like a while, so here you go. I know I was past due, because I was stuck on this one glitch that I'm trying to do. I'm not going to say it, but you probably know if you've been kind of following me a little online, you know. So, I'm here, and I just wanted to branch off from looking and show you guys this guy that flies. You ready? Are you ready? He comes quick. Watch. Bam. You saw him? Want to see him again? Watch him. Oh, I'm on my file now, guys. I restarted the game. So this is mine. And you can do this to him. You can shoot him. So that's awesome. Oh, it was a couple guys, I guess. And here, you can actually not trigger the guys coming by scaling the wall. Wait, can you stand on that? Wow. You can just go around. And then go right in. And it didn't even trigger. And now here, we are at this, which is not an ordinary grab ramp. Oh wait. If you didn't know. Because what this one's different is, you can walk on the sides, and instead of there being a barrier, it actually just cuts off your walking. And then you just do that. So, I'm not sure if that's anything to do with that, but you can go right before it, and you're going to want a long jump. That wasn't a long jump. And you should go either really close but above this and go all the way down, or just come here and then lose the gravity and go flying and pick a destination. So I'm going to go flying, hopefully. Alright, so no long jump, guys. No. I don't know why it doesn't work, but sometimes it just doesn't. Ah, I hit a wall. You saw it fly though. Ah, I'm thinking I should just do it in takes, because it's not going. Alright, takes. Yes. First take. And you can just go get that bolt. Yeah, maybe. So yeah, I just made it. But I don't really want to make it, because I want to go back there. See, I could razor claw this and get that. Whoa. I want that. I'm not gonna die. Yet. I didn't get it. I did. Oh, I did. Yeah. Now I'm gonna show you something else. Over there. And since I don't have a lot of glitches for this level, I'm gonna waste time like this. Haha. Okay, so here. Oh, I just noticed that the light went away. So you can razor claw up this. Then you can stand on top. And if you didn't know, those things actually you can kill, destroy, I mean. So I haven't successfully went on top of them, but I'm gonna right now. If I can see. Oh, you can stand, it's just like everything else. You stand on top, and then you can't stand anymore. You stay still, but the environment moves around you. I'll try it again, and this time I'll run with it. No. And now I'm just above it, and I can fall inside of anything. No, I'm on a barrier right now. Yeah, but unlike size matters, you can't actually walk on most of the roofs. You just go around them, and then once you touch them, you go inside of them. You see, which stinks, because I didn't want to do that. Okay, so I just did this, and it's you. I did the ramp thing and came all the way to here, and then tried to fall on top of it, and it ended up doing this. And now I can turn and die. No, or well, I just wanted to show you that. I'll do it again. And you just go on the back of it. There. You just jump right on that. And then you'll spin. Like this. No! I can make it out. Oh well. That was it though. Oh, where am I? I don't know. Alright, so this never made it in the game. It's identical to the other one. After you beat the main run through in this level. And, oh crap. And you can't stand on this. Yeah. I'm getting lucky today. Finding these things. I'm trying to get inside. In case you're wondering. Alright, one more. Ah, it's nothing. Where is it though? Oh, it's nowhere. I finally made it up, and it took forever. So, we're here, and she goes up there. So you just raise her claw up it, and there she is. You can hit her, and that's it. Isn't it cool? There's nothing. Nothing's there. Okay, I'm gonna explore it, because I can. And then I'll show you something cooler. Oh wait, maybe I can show you all in one thing. I think I can do it. Couldn't get up. You probably could. Alright, so go far and kill yourself. No, don't kill yourself. Just go far, past the barrier. I can't really tell you where that is. Sorry. And then down here is the elevator. Don't go inside of it, you'll just go through the wall, and it's pointless. So there's that thing that you can't get in normally, that room. And those just keep going in a circle. So it's pretty stupid. I'm gonna try to get in here. Okay, I'm in. Also, you can stand on all of the lights in the entire level. The roof above the spot where your ship is also standable on. And then you can climb the rocks next to it. Last one, guys, I swear. So, back at this ramp. Go around. You don't have to go too high. But then, once you're high enough, you do this. Crap. That. And you can go inside, and then die. It's still cool, guys. Remember it. And that's all for oh! Standing on something. Nice. That's all for today.